In this guide, I'll show you how to enable smooth scrolling in Microsoft Edge for a better browsing experience. Launch the Edge browser on your computer. In the address bar, type edge bots flags and press enter. In the search bar at the top of the page, type smooth. Locate the feature labeled Smooth Scrolling. Description: animate smoothly when scrolling page content. Click on the drop-down menu next to Smooth Scrolling. Select Enabled. Click the Restart button that appears, or manually close and reopen the browser. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.